welcome to the Country Castle, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. I am a homemaker and I share things that I love, that I'm passionate about, and things that I'm learning along my journey of being a mother of 8. I am baking some yummy things today, and I want to share with you how important movement has been for me, especially through the winter months, in staying healthy, active, mentally, emotionally, and physically strong. As always, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to my backyard. I wanted to come back here and kind of show you what our backyard looks like in the wintertime. So this year is the year that we are going to create like our dream backyard. We're putting in a bunch of stone pathways. I have found that the best way to manage a lot of grass is to take it out and to put stone in. We don't need to waste our water resources on watering grass. I'd rather put that towards a garden and flowers. And also, I love planting drought-resistant flowers that can withstand a lot of heat, because here in northern Utah, we do get quite a bit of heat in July and August. I'm gonna come back this way and show you. As you can see, like, the house is back there. That is kind of the yard, and I will take you along our journey as we continue to cultivate it. But it's going to take some time and a lot of work. Today I kind of was inspired to make this blueberry puff recipe. Every morning I will sit with my coffee on my couch in my living room, and I have a few books that I will look through. I have a book on Monet that I'm reading, all about his gardens, his inspiration, which I am loving. I also read my flower book, which just teaches me about bulbs and planting and seedlings, and it's just so enjoyable. It's so pleasing and exciting to see flowers and get dreaming about spring. The other book I've been looking at recently has been Joanna Gaines' Cookbook. I was inspired to make this recipe from that book, and I'm gonna make it for you today. I'm thinking that this recipe will be really good. This will be my second recipe that I've tried from her book, but every time I look through a cookbook, it really gives me inspiration on kind of what to make, because sometimes we just get in a rut and we don't know what to make. I run out of ideas, and I just feel like I'm making the same thing over and over again. So I really like cookbooks, the paper turning pages. So this is new for me, and I'm gonna try it out and we'll see how it turns out. And I hope you enjoy this video. It is a cold wintry day, and we're gonna make some comfort food. I don't know about you, but I am definitely itching for spring. I cannot wait to get outside and make our backyard beautiful, and we just kind of feel cooped up and we feel we're doing the mundane tasks, and I always look forward to every single season because it provides an opportunity for me to shift gears and focus in on what is needed either in the home or outside of the home. And I feel like at this time of year, we are just chomping at the bit to get outside, get our fingers in the dirt, and really drink in that sunshine. And if there is anything this time of year teaches us, it is to be patient, because we cannot rush the weather. So that's what we are doing. We're being patient. As challenging as this job is, being a mother, I just have to say, dear God, thank you for these beautiful children and these moments where their hands are diving into the ingredients to taste it, and that I get to feed them every single day. It's hard, there's a lot of highs and lows, but it is full of a lot of good. Interruption for the sponsor of today's video. I am so excited to be working with Bob and Brad. I love their products and believe in the mission that they have to create beautiful, ergonomic massagers for your body, for tension, relaxation, muscle soreness, stiffness, all of the above. We are a family of athletes. Whether my son is having cramps in his legs or has a muscle injury, this has been an incredible product. The design is actually voted #1 in massagers by Good Housekeeping. This is a cover that goes over the top, which is for comfort, but also you can kind of keep it clean because you can take it off. My favorite part of this massager is the fact that it can reach every area of your body that you need to massage. It has heat, it has different settings where you are going to get the ultimate relaxation for those muscles, that tension that you have. I have actually been using this on my lower back at night, and I did not realize my inability to relax fully until I started using this massager. I use it nightly, and it has allowed my body to decompress and unwind, which has in turn given me much deeper sleep, and it is now my nightly routine. However, I have used this on my 4-year-old for muscle calf cramps. He has been having a lot of growing pains, and what he does is he sets his leg inside here and it massages with warmth and heat, and it has been phenomenal in releasing that painful cramping that comes with growing. My daughter has been using it. She is a dancer. We might need to get more of these because we are all waiting our turn to actually use it. I love this brand. They are a trusted company. I have a discount code. Bob and Brad has been so gracious to give my followers a code. It is linked in my description below. Check them out if you are in need of this, whether you're an athlete, you're young and you have growing pains, or you're old and you have stiffness and you need relaxation, I highly recommend this product. Last night, I put together my sourdough roll recipe, and today it has risen and it is ready to roll out into my rolls. I have this recipe on my blog, countrycastleliving.com. It is the easiest sourdough roll recipe. It is delicious. It turns out every single time. This week, I doubled the recipe and I made a sourdough braided loaf using the same dough recipe, and it was so wonderful. I will share that soon. These are a favorite in our home. One of my favorite parts of this home is how the sun comes through the windows. It might be cold and frigid outside, but it looks lovely, cheery, and happy inside. And it is something that really lifts me emotionally. So if you are feeling like you are getting those winter blues, open those windows and let that sunlight in. We loved this recipe. It was so delicious, wonderful as a dessert or as a breakfast because it doesn't have too much sugar. We are definitely going to make this again. It is a win in my book. So if you don't have Joanna Gaines' cookbook, I highly recommend it. I am so excited to serve this up to my family, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.